Hello everyone and welcome to what I prepped today. This was actually a prep from probably almost 2 months ago from the Ready store, who is way behind on shipping. Now, I think I pointed out the differences between the Ready store and emergencyessentials.com and the likenesses as well in another video. One uses a squirrel as their little icon and the other uses an acorn, which I believe they're also both in Utah, which led me to kind of wonder, are they actually the same company, or are they more like Tattlers and Harvest Guard reusable canning jar lids, just the same family members or the same family that kind of just branched off from one another. But what I do know is that when I get something from Emergency Essentials, it's not labeled like this on the outside, which I kind of appreciate the privacy. I'm not sure that I like having that label right there on the outside of my box. My other box did not have any kind of distinctive anything other than the label where it was from, and it just said someplace in Utah. Another thing I don't like about the Ready store is that they put my entire order on their dried spinach and MREs. They put the entire thing right there for anybody to read what we got. This box here is from Sam's Club. It's our little bonus because I wasn't going to do a separate video just for what's in there. But let me show you. Let me get these opened like that. Well, talk about the waste of glue. Oh my goodness, there was no reason for that much glue in that package. It's just everywhere. I couldn't even separate the cardboard from the cardboard because they used so much darn glue in there. And I recycle cardboard in my garden, and this is frustrating because I will not put that in my garden. This one's just going to go into the wood burner. So what do we have here? It is the Ready Pack individual flameless ration heater is included in there. Whoops. I'm not sure what's in there. It looks like I'm going to have to open one of those. Well, there, I found the label right there. That it shows what that is, but I also wanted to point this out. I'm supposed to, this is one case of 12. I'm supposed to have 36 total, unless 12 times 3 is 36. Maybe there's 3 in each of those. No, there's not, because that's some kind of bar. So what do we have in here? This is menu 6, which is pasta with garden vegetables in tomato sauce. Okay, so there are 6 different meal varieties, 2 of each. This is menu 1, the Southwestern style beans with rice and chicken. Let's go to 2, because I was going to go to 5. Menu 2 is pork with sauce and rice. Menu 3 is home-style vegetables in sauce with noodles and chicken. Menu 4 is spaghetti with Italian-style sauce and meat. Menu 5 is the sweet and sour sauce with rice and chicken. And menu 6 is pasta with garden vegetables in tomato sauce. Now this other box here is rather heavy, so it leads me to believe that it's not just my spinach. Let me open this one and check. Okay, so in this box is just 2 more boxes of those ready meals. There's the reduced sodium. I was really thinking that my Saratoga Farms freeze-dried spinach was going to be here, especially because it's on the label. So this says 36 of these meals, but there's no quantity listed under that 6-pack. So I'll just double check when I go online. I really wish these companies would let you know a little more information when you get what you order. You know, there's no packing list or anything like that whatsoever. So those are those 2 boxes. Let's go on to this Sam's Club box. And unfortunately, I thought it was going to be, when I buy this in the store. It comes in a nice box with a picture on it, and this is just a cardboard box. They taped 2 cardboard boxes together. But what I got in here, this is a solar, there's my little solar panel, LED exterior motion sensing light. And now that I got it in this kind of a box, and had previously gotten one of these because my sister really liked hers. This is actually what I thought I was getting, so that's not, it's a different brand. The other one may have these extra side panels here. I'm really just going to have to double check this, but I got this one in the Sam's Club store. And this is a Westinghouse brand, and I got this double pack in the monthly specials online. So I'll definitely try it. I do like that it does have these 3 panels there. I do like that Sam's Club will, you know, take anything back that doesn't work. So, but I really need to get these up to make sure that they don't work. I mean, they're not going to return it in a year. So I'll get working on that, and I really like those because, you know, if the power's out and somebody's in your yard at night or you need the light, well, guess what? You know it's not working. So I really like these because then you can also put them places where you want light if there's motion, but you really don't want the expense of running the electricity to. So when my sister got these, and she was buying one in the store, and she told me they were wonderful, I bought one, and honestly haven't had ours put up yet. We just haven't had time. But then I saw these ones on sale, so I grabbed the double pack, which was, I think, was $40 for a double pack, which wasn't bad at all. 20 bucks a light. So that's it. That's what I prepped today. Let me know in the comments if you shopped at the Ready store and how long it took your order to come in. And I don't know. I've never really used MREs before, and my husband has. So I think I'm going to have him try these, and maybe we'll even try them on camera. Or maybe not. I don't know. Maybe a taste test would be nice. But all right, everybody. Talk to you later. Keep on prepping. Be blessed, everyone.